valiant hero skillfully saves others and steadfastly protects those who are encountered with danger and requires urgent assistance.
All right, let's do this one last time.
Penny Park.
My name is Peter Porker.
I was bitten by a radioactive spider.
It is on the rise and the city's victimized. Looking up with no surprise, arriving